Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping devices. This saves time and avoids errors. Make sure your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID you'll use for Find My, Bluetooth is on, and AirPods Max have some charge. Once done, hold the AirPods Max near the phone, wake the iPhone, and follow the on-screen pairing prompt. Pairing registers the headphones to your iCloud account. This step is critical because Find My links through your Apple ID. Pairing first makes the headphones visible in the app. Once paired, open the Find My app to confirm the AirPods Max appear under Devices. This shows last seen location and proximity info. Tap the device entry to play a sound, view directions, or enable Notify when left behind. These options help prevent loss and make recovery easier. Make sure Find My network is active on your iPhone so the headphones can leverage other Apple devices for location. You do this because AirPods Max rely on the network to report location. To finish test tracking, play a sound and confirm the map updates. This verifies Find My can reach the AirPods Max. Make sure you rename the device for Quick ID and confirm Notify when left behind is set if you want alerts. If the headphones don't appear, reset them. Press and hold the digital crown and noise control button together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud and retry pairing to refresh the device link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.